Hello students, welcome to your math class. This is the introductory class of triangle and its properties. In this class we will learn what is triangle, how many types of triangle on the basis of side and on the basis of angles, as well as median and altitude. So children, what is triangle? Are you seeing this shape? These are the different type of the shape. Yes, and here also this is also a triangle and this is also a triangle. So these all shapes are triangles, but how can you define these all shapes are triangle? So children, when we find there, so how many sides are there? There are three sides, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 side is there, and angles is there, 1, 2 and 3 angle. There are 3 angles as well as 3 vertices is there, 1, 2 and 3 vertices is there. So children, what is vertices? Vertices is a point where two sides are met. Okay, and angle which is made by two sides, that is the angle. Okay, so we say that triangle is a polygon. Triangle is a polygon of 3 sides. Okay, there are different types of the triangle. So when we will compare it, so these both are different types. These both are different type, and this is also next type. Okay, and this is another type. So there are different type of triangle. Yes children, a simple closed curve which is made up of 3 lines in. Okay, and there are 3 lines in 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3 sides there, and 3 angles. So there are also 3 angles, P, Q and R. 1 angle, 2 angle and this is the 3 angle. As well as 3 sides, 3 angles, and there are 3 vertices also. Okay, and here all these 3 sides and angles are called 6 elements of the triangle. Okay, so this is given a shape of triangles and this is the visualization of triangle. Types of triangle on the basis of side. There are 3 types of triangle: scalene, isosceles and equilateral. Scalene triangle which have all sides are unequal, means measurement of the all sides are different. When we when we measure the side of this triangle, okay, when we measure the side of these triangles, so we will found measurement of segment of the side, that all are different. Okay, that all are different. So this triangle is called scalene triangle. What it is called? Scalene triangle. And second is there isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, if any two sides of a triangle equal. So children, here this is a example of isosceles triangle. When we will measure these two sides of this triangle are equal, so this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay, next is there equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides of triangle are equal. So in this triangle, all side of this triangle are equal. So this triangle is called equilateral triangle. Students, type of angles on the basis of types of triangle on the basis of angle. Okay, so there are 3 types of triangle on the basis of angle. First is acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all angles are acute, means less than 90 degree. When we will measure the angle of this triangle, so all angle of this triangle are less than 90 degree, means that is acute angle. So children, this is the example of acute angle triangle. And second, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle of one angle of a triangle is right angle, means 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. So this is the example of right angle triangle. So here children, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is the 90 degree, so that 90 degree, and the rest 2 angles are acute angle. So this is the example of right angle triangle. And next, obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, if one angle of a triangle is obtuse, means greater than 90, more than 90 degree. That is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. So here this is the example of obtuse angle triangle. So this angle is greater than, more than 90 degree. Medians of triangle. Medians of a triangle, the line segment joining vertex, the line segment which is joining vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle, that line segment is called median of the triangle. Here this is a triangle and a line segment that is red color, which is a median, which is joining a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So let's see with the help of example here. Children, when this is a vertex, so this is a line segment which is joining the midpoint. So midpoint will be there. Okay, so this line segment is called the median. Okay, and when we are talking about altitude, so altitude which is from vertex to the perpendicular on the opposite side. So what is the altitude for that? This is median, but this will be altitude. Okay, that make a 90 degree right angle. So children, a perpendicular line segment, altitude is a perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called the altitude of a triangle. Okay, so this is the altitude of a triangle that make a 90 degree, means it is a perpendicular. Okay, there are different types of the triangle on the basis of angle and on the basis of sides.